Good morning, students. We were studying about crop production and management, in which we have come to basic agricultural practices. In basic agricultural practices, our third point is adding manure and fertilizers.
Start.
Adding manure and fertilizers. The substance which are added to the soil in the form of nutrients for the healthy growth of plants are called manures and fertilizers. Manure is an organic substance obtained from the decomposition of plant or animal waste. Fertilizers are chemical substances which are rich in a particular nutrient. Let us understand it.
Start.
To make manure, farmers dig a pit in which biodegradable substances like waste fodders of for animals and the excreta of animals or the excreta of human beings also are put, and it is covered with soil. After a few days, it decomposes into manure. Manure is a good source of nutrients for the growth of plants. We can see that in manure, all the required nutrients are obtained. But in fertilizers, a special nutrient like nitrogen or phosphorus, potassium, etc. means a single thing you will get. But in manure, everything will get in proportion. So we think manure is good for our fields. Moreover, manure forms humus layer, but fertilizers do not form humus layer. So manure is important for the farmers. When they add it in their field, they get better crop production. Our next point is irrigation. Irrigation means to supply water in the fields for better production of crops. As you know, different plant need different quantities or different amounts of water for their growth and development. So either we get it by rainfall or we do it manually. So let us see irrigation. The supply of water to crops at different intervals is called irrigation. Sources of irrigations are wells, tube wells, ponds, lakes, rivers, dams, canals, etc. There are traditional ways of irrigation and modern methods of irrigation. So in traditional ways, we used moat, chain pump, dhekli, rahat, etc. These were used by Indian farmers uh, long days ago. Now in modern method, you will see a sprinkler system and a drip system. In a sprinkler system, there uh, in a type of machine for sprinkling in which a nozzle is there, and by that nozzle we put water on plants and it seems like rainfall. And in drip irrigation we pour water in the at the root of the plant, means no need to water the whole field but only the plant's uh, roots are watered. So this is called drip irrigation, and already you have learned about a sprinkler system. Next point we shall discuss tomorrow.